Hello, for today we have an Apple on MacBook Pro 13 edition with Retina display. The model is A1502. And it's not powering in any way, and when I plug in the charger it will not power. Here you can see the model, and first on the back of the laptop we have like 10 screws with a pentalobe that is with the size of 1.2. I already took out mine, so I'm gonna remove this cap. Behind the back cap we find the motherboard and a lot of screws. This time they are T and Phillips screws. Let me see which T we can use here. Looks like the smallest one. It's a T5. Yes, it's a T5. I will start with this bracket. This laptop is not powering, so I'm gonna disassemble the motherboard to see if anything is wrong visually, because I don't have enough knowledge to repair if it's something more difficult. I need to be careful where and which screws do I take apart from the motherboard, because they are not the same as the bracket. I can tell for sure that nobody disassembled this Mac before. Maybe only for SSD, but I don't know if it's built-in or if it's actually removable. Of course there is a slot here, but I don't know there are built-in SSD or not in this machine. Let's have an inspection. Everything looks just fine, with some exceptions, but doesn't matter too much. And let's begin and remove things. These clips are so heavy to remove that I actually broke the battery connector, the plastic for it, in this corner while I was trying to remove it. not the best way to do things, but it will work for now. Yes, looks like I have one more screw down here. We have a battery, a keyboard connector here. Yes, I know there are a lot of connectors on a MacBook that you need to move before taking out the entire motherboard. Okay, maybe that's not the best. Okay, now there's one more here. There are a lot of connectors, I must tell. But this is all I want to make a disassembly video, and if I succeed in repairing this computer, I will make a video on what I made and what I have repaired. Now it should, in theory, come. No, there's actually more than 3. No. Okay, looks like somebody spilled something on this laptop. Gonna peel this, and after that you have one more connector right here. Yeah, looks like liquid damage, and not sure how to deal with that. Okay, the cover is removed. Now I need to take the motherboard and MagSafe port out. On this side of the board, I can't see anything wrong. Really? Okay, connector it's here. You see the something. Okay, this is the motherboard, and this is how you disassembly motherboard in a MacBook Pro A1502 13-inch model. Not much. I will not put it back because I kinda want to diagnose this motherboard, and I want to repair it if I can. It's a nice laptop to have, and it will be just fine if I could repair it. So thank you for watching. See you next time.